Okay guys, this is the video on how to register on this Deltacon. So if you download, once you download the APK from the website, click on it to register. So I'm going to select my country. Okay, it's my country. Then I'm going to put my phone number. So now listen very careful. So this phone number, this is where some people are having issue to verify their number because of one single mistake. So if you don't want to make the same mistake, so once you want to verify your phone number, you want to register your phone number, make sure that you do not start with 0, as in remove the 0 from your number. So like now, for example, now I'm in Nigeria now. For example, now instead of me to type 091 blah 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 blah, no, I'll remove this 0 and start with 9. Shey you get? So if you're in another country, make sure that it does start with the first 0 from in your number. So start with 91 or 81 or 71 or blah 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 blah. So make sure that you do not start with 0. So start with, okay, this is my number, and let me start with 9155343810. So you can see it now. Don't input any 0 here, remove the 0 if you don't want to get any verification fee. So just remove the 0. So I'll remove it now. Then you can see it now. So let me go ahead. So you click on next. So you need to enter the reference DID. So you need to input it. So I'll paste it now. Then enter your nickname. Let me enter it like this. Then click on next. So once you click on next, then click on this DSMS verification. Then click on get. So once you click on get, I want all these numbers. So I'm going to select one. Before you select any number for verification, make sure that check their score. So you can see that this one now is 24.44%. So the last one is 22. So I will need to select this 24.44%. So just click on it like this. So they may ask you to select 2 or 1. So for me now, I will select 1. But if they ask you to select 2 number, before you select 2 number, check their score. So before you select anyone, you can select 2 if they ask you. But before you select, check their score. Check their score here so that you know select the one with low rate. So now I have selected this one also. I will need to, once you select the number you are going to send the verification code to, so click on next. So if I'm in Nigeria now, that's why I selected Nigeria. So if you're in another country, you can choose other country as well. So do the same thing I'm doing now. So click on next. So what you are going to do now is you need to copy this verification code. You can see it now, this verification code. So I'm going to copy it now. You can see it now. I've already copied this verification code now. So don't use WhatsApp because WhatsApp is not supported on this verification. So just let it be on this SMS. So I'll copy this this verification string. So I copy it now. So once you copy it like this, then you need to launch your SMS app. So you need to launch, before you launch it, you need to click on this. So after you have copied this verification string here, now I'm going to click on send. You can see the timer. So you can see the time is reading. So make sure you send it before the time is reading. So I click on send now. So it asks me to launch SMS program. So click on confirm. So now you are going, make sure before you send this verification from your phone number you used to register. Don't use any phone number. So I'm going to select sim 2 because I use sim 2. So I'm going to select use this now. Click on send. So I have set it now. So after you set it, then you need to go back. Click on I have set verification strings. Next step, just click on confirm. Okay, verification succeed. You can see it's very easy. So make sure you do what I say. Okay, now I have started mine. Can you see? So click on tap to mine, then mine. This app we just did like Pi. This is how Pi Network started. Now you can see how Pi is going viral and how much people have made from Pi. So if you know that, if you don't want to, as in if you don't want to recreate, make sure that you start this data con, start to mine it earlier. As you can see, the rate now is very high now. So as people are joining, they will reduce the mining rate. So if you know what is good for you, you have to start on time, mine diligently, mine as if your life depend on it. So you get. So this how Pi Network started, and this corner is going viral. This data corner is going viral. So same way with Pi Network. So what are you waiting for? Don't make mistake, as in take it seriously, take it as your, I don't even know how I can put it, but make sure that you don't joke with this project. So make sure that you don't joke with this project. So that is one. So yeah, and if you want to add your security cycle, so I'm going to make the video differently. But this video now is how to register about the security cycle. For those of you who want to add any members to security cycle, so you need to come over here. You need to come over here and click on add manually. So after you click on it, then you enter the person referral ID. So if you're on my this